How to reset Netflix recommendations. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First of all, you can either use your Netflix application or any of the preferred web application. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with the web application. At the top search bar, type in netflix.com, get logged into your account. As you do so, you will see a page like this. Here you have to tap on three bar icon just beside the Netflix logo, and then it will display you your Netflix name. You will see account button, tap onto account. At the section, you have to scroll all the way below. You might have a different profile in your Netflix. You have to tap onto the specific one where you would like to reset the recommendation. As you do so, tap on Viewing Activity. At this section, you will see all the videos and all the movies that you have watched, but you have to scroll all the way below. And under Back to Your Account, you will see Hide All. If you tap on Hide All, this will automatically reset your recommendation, and everything you have watched will be deleted or hidden, and you will no longer able to see it. And just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.